Hi everybody, this is your part 2 of your week 3 math lesson. I just wanted to share with you some things that I know the science lady was here earlier. She's still here. You want to do this one? No? Okay. All right, I'm going to do this part. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to quickly go through and show you some things that are a little bit different this week about your math lesson. When you go to your remote learning section of your Google Classroom and go to week 3 math, you are going to see that we don't have phase 1, 2, and 3 here in this box. We've tried to help you and make it a little more user-friendly. So if you click on this, it will take you to a Google slide where you see the links that would normally be filling up that next section. So everything is linked here except for your assignments. Those will be in the Your Work section of your Google Classroom. You'll go here, and here's the teacher mini lessons you'll watch. Then here is the anchor chart that helps you. I know the science lady talked about this capacity and weight and how an ounce is about a piece of bread, a pound is about a loaf of bread or a pineapple, and a ton is a really big amount like an elephant. One thing she didn't talk about is the milliliter and liter. A milliliter is just a little drop. If you have a dropper or a syringe, like the medical field, if you know people who talk about cc's, well, a cc is like a milliliter. So when they're measuring that, they're measuring milliliters. A liter is not quite a 2-liter bottle, and it's not necessarily the little bottles you get in the drink machine, but it's in between there. A lot of times you find these at convenience stores. But there is that to study. And remember, you have a video link here. So if you will watch this video about capacity and weight, then it goes to phase 2, where you have your Imagine Math pathway. When you go to your portal and go to Imagine Math, you'll do the capacity and weight pathway this week. Then the problem of the day is step 2. You'll notice it's not linked here because it's in your Google Classroom work. Then when you go to the next slide, you have step 3. These are 3 PowerPoints that I really hope you'll watch. This one has, I hope you'll especially go to this one because it has some really good video links for you. When you go down to this slide, it says watch these links, and here's one about King Gallon, and then here's a song, and I think it's a Taylor Swift song tune that's been used to help you understand the difference between these. And then the last thing is phase 3. Again, it doesn't have a link to your assignment here because that's in the Your Work section of your Google Classroom. Then you have an extension activity where you can, if you choose to, you are welcome to go on and get pieces of paper or paper plates and make your own gallon guy or gallon gal. Now in your Google Classroom, here's your problem of the day. And you'll double click here to type in your answer or put your justification, and here to put your answer in the box. And this is your chart to help you. The other thing in your Google Classroom is your assignment. And when you click on the assignment, you'll notice that this week it says to drag the circle to cover your answer choice. So you'll just click and hold your mouse down, drag that over, and put it on top of whichever answer you think is correct. And it'll do that for each one of those. Page 2, you drag the check mark, and then you drag the stars because we can't really color. So you're going to drag the stars to show 1 liter. And then on this section, you double click in the box to type in less than, about, or more than to compare the amount above to 1 gallon. That takes us through math for this week. I hope you will practice at home, maybe doing some cooking and measuring to work on your capacity. If you have any questions, make sure you ask your teacher. We are here to help you. See you later.